Hello there, and a warm welcome to our YouTube channel, the ultimate place for food lovers. Today we're going to take a delightful stroll down memory lane, revisiting an old-time favorite, the pineapple fridge tart. This recipe is as simple as it is mouth-watering, and it's one of those treats that'll have you sneaking back to the fridge for just one more slice. So, are you ready to embark on this culinary journey with us? Let's dive in. Now, before we begin, let's make sure we have all the ingredients ready. First off, we need 1 can of ideal evaporated milk. Make sure it's had a good night's rest in the fridge because we want it chilled and ready to whip. Next, we've got a packet of tennis biscuits, the unsung heroes of our tart, providing that crucial crunch. Then, we have a packet of pineapple jelly. Think of it as the binding agent of our tart, the glue that holds our culinary masterpiece together. And finally, we have a can of pineapple pieces. You could use crushed pineapple if you're feeling rebellious or if you just want a smoother texture. Each of these ingredients plays a starring role in our pineapple fridge tart, from the creamy, evaporated milk to the tangy pineapple pieces. They each bring a unique flavor and texture that makes this tart an irresistible treat. Make sure you've got all these ingredients on hand because it's going to be a delicious adventure. All right, now that we've got our ingredients, it's time to get cooking. First off, let's tackle the jelly. Grab your pineapple jelly packet, but hold on. Don't just rip it open like it's Christmas morning. We're culinary artists here, remember? Now get that pot on the stove and combine the jelly powder with the juice from your pineapple pieces. And no, this isn't a cocktail, so don't even think about taking a sip. Stir that concoction until it's fully dissolved. Once done, put it aside. This isn't its moment to shine just yet. Now it's time to whip out your electric mixer. And no, we're not starting a rock band. We're whipping the ideal milk that you had the foresight to refrigerate overnight. Whip it until you've got a foam that would make a barista green with envy. It should have a great volume, like a hair commercial, but for milk. Next, we're adding the pineapple pieces to the whipped ideal milk. And here's a pro tip for you. You can cut them smaller or use crushed pineapple if you'd like. It's your kitchen, your rules. But remember, we're aiming for a tart, not a smoothie. Now, it's time for our jelly to make its grand entrance. Add it to the mixture and mix everything well. You want to combine all the flavors so that each bite is a tropical explosion in your mouth. See, I told you it was easy. Now let's move on to our next steps. Welcome back! Now that our initial mixture is ready, let's move on to the next part of our recipe. We're going to start by adding the pineapple pieces to our whipped ideal milk. Now, you could cut these pieces smaller if you like, or even use crushed pineapple if you prefer a smoother texture. But remember, like a great movie, a good tart is all about the character. And those pineapple chunks, they're the stars of our show. So, don't be shy, let them shine. Next, we're going to add the jelly to the mixture. Now, this isn't just any jelly, it's pineapple jelly, the supporting actor that brings out the best in our leading fruit. It's like the Robin to our pineapple's Batman. So, go ahead and pour that jelly in and let the dynamic duo do their thing. Now it's time to bring in our unsung heroes, the tennis biscuits. These guys are the foundation of our tart, the solid base that holds everything together. They're kind of like the stage crew in our little food theater. Without them, the show can't go on. So in a dish, we're going to place a layer of these biscuits. But remember, save a couple for the grand finale. Once your biscuit base is ready, top it with half of the pineapple mixture and spread it evenly. Then add another layer of biscuits and top that with the remaining pineapple mixture, spreading it evenly over the biscuits. Now, for the final touch, take those spare biscuits and crush them up. Then sprinkle them lightly over the dish. It's like the curtain call at the end of a great play, a little encore to round off our performance. There you have it. Our pineapple fridge tart is almost ready. Just one more step to go. We're on the home stretch now. Let's finish up our pineapple fridge tart. Here comes the final touch that will make our tart stand out. Take those spare tennis biscuits we set aside and crush them into fine crumbs. Now be careful, this isn't a time for a heavy hand. We want a light sprinkle of crumbs, not a biscuit blizzard. Once you've achieved the perfect crumb consistency, sprinkle them lightly over the top of your tart. It's like a little biscuit snowfall, adding a delightful crunch to every bite. Now comes the hardest part of the entire process, waiting. We need to place our tart in the refrigerator and let it set for a few hours. I know, the anticipation is almost unbearable, but trust me, it will be worth the wait. While we wait, why not take this opportunity to share your pineapple fridge tart journey? Did you stick to the script or add your personal twist to the recipe? Share your experiences, and let's create a community of pineapple fridge tart connoisseurs. And there you have it, folks. A simple yet delicious pineapple fridge tart. the perfect blend of sweet, tangy, and crunchy. It's an old-time favorite that you will find yourself going back for more. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and share this video to help grow this beautiful channel. Stay tuned for more delicious recipes.